How to fix Facebook Music Story not showing up. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix if your music option on Facebook is not showing up. Now if you open the app and head over to your story, create a story, here you can find the music option right here. You'll be able to save, browse musics. Now if you don't find this option, then first thing you need to do is head over to your Play Store and make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Since this feature is the latest, so make sure your app is updated to the latest version by going to your App Store or Play Store and search for Facebook. And if your app is not updated, you'll get an update option instead of the open option that you can see on the screen right now. So once you update it, and if it still doesn't help, the second thing you can do is head over to your settings and go to apps. Now once on apps, search for Facebook and here go to storage and clear your data and clear your cache. This should fix your bug and fix your issue. So hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.